Hi guys, today I would like to talk about quantifiers that we use with uncountable nouns.
Much.
Much means a lot of. I don't really have much money, meaning that I don't have a lot of money, and much of his money is in Swiss bank accounts, meaning that a lot of his money is in Swiss bank accounts.
A little, little.
If you watched my other video where I talked about quantifiers that we use with countable nouns, you might remember that I mentioned a few and few in it. Now, the difference between a few and little is exactly the same. So, a little means that there is not a lot of something, but it is enough, and a little means it is not enough. I'm just a teenager, but sometimes I get the chance to earn a little money. So I don't earn a lot of money, but it is enough for a teenager. Life's not easy at the moment. I have little money and no job, meaning I don't have enough money.
A bit of.
A bit of means a small amount. I managed to save a bit of money, meaning that I have a small amount of money.
A great deal of.
A great deal of means a large amount of something. £1,000,000 is a great deal of money, meaning it is a lot of money. It is a large amount of money. When it comes to food and hygiene products, we can use the names of the containers in which the products are sold or served.
A can of cola. A bottle of water. A bottle of vinegar. A bottle of olive oil. A bottle of shampoo. A carton of milk. A carton of juice. A packet of pasta. A packet of crisps. A tin of peas. A tin of beans. A box of salt. A box of pasta. A box of detergent. A jar of jam. A jar of honey. A jar of mustard. A bag of flour. A bag of sugar. A bag of rice. A tub of butter. A tub of margarine. A tube of toothpaste. A bar of chocolate. A bowl of soup. A bowl of rice. A loaf of bread.
Okay, now let's do the exercise. Watch this video to learn about quantifiers that we use with countable nouns. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye!